Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will visit you one new place. Guess. Yes, Papanga Hills. See, this is the gate of Papanga Hills. In Odia, we are saying that Papanga Parvata. Okay? See, this is the main entrance gate of this hill station. Okay, see the beautification of this gate and the true nature of beauty. See, greenery, sunlights. See how it's beautification done. This gate looks so amazing actually, and the color. See, it's a artificial tree. Looks like. See, it's really so beautiful. And this stair, after 274 stairs, we will get, after covering 274 stairs, we will get one temple, Ramji temple. And before entering to that gate area, you just have a toll gate on fast. That this is a just a parking fees they are collecting there for vehicles. No tickets at the entry for each person, but four-wheeler they are taking 50 rupees, or two-wheeler something 10 rupees. See, people are enjoying there. They are taking pics at the entry gate. This area actually starts from parking area to your main entrance gate of Papanga Hill. See, people are doing, means people are enjoying here, and cooking space is there also. This is a place for picnic also. You can cook and have your meals there. And this is a winter season, so many people are coming to that area for picnic. See, both side of area already covered with lots of visitors here. Okay, see, and this is the area from parking area to your main gate area. See, both side you can find some small shops here, that they are selling ice cream, chushki, and some kind of street foods. Actually, that place belongs to Bargarh district at Odisha. Okay. Then when we came to here, it was late. Actually, at 11:30 across am we are reached there, and this is the launch time. Okay. See, people are taking their meals. Some people are enjoying here some chocolates, something they are using, they are having. Actually, a school picnic also they are going on. It's a beautiful place for, means for picnic spot. We will tell it. See, small things you can enjoy, because some means maximum time school picnic is going on here, and small kids are coming to that area. Here one tunnel also there, and so many areas there. Municipality supply, water supply is also there. It's pani puri time. Okay, people loves to have it, no? Every people. See, it's a huge area, so you can enjoy here. See, basically local peoples are means selling their items there only. See, this is the, so something. I will just show you. It's a cosmetics and consumables type of shops there. See, already I took one round from the main entrance gate of Papanga Hills to parking area of that area. And when we entered to that Papanga Hill gate area, and another video I will show you in next video. Okay, this is a beautiful area actually. You can trek here, and you can visit Ramji temple here. Then near Ramji temple also we can find some area, so that I will show you in next video. Okay, see, you just come and enjoy, and it's a really beautiful area, and means actually who loves nature must come, because see, this is a greenery area. In Western Odisha you must find, and you can find easily, that greenery area, some hill station and waterfall. You must, means you can enjoy. This is first video, second video will come shortly. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel.